Welcome to 31 episode.
Parens undead of.
Yes.
Yes.
Here's the to-do.
Here's the to-do.
Yeah, let me illustrate. There's a punch, and no health.
No health.
No health.
Yeah.
And it's the to-do.
It's the to-do.
Yes. Let's let's try speaking in regular sentences, maybe. Set player health is nowhere to be found. Set player rerolls. Okay.
Yeah, of course, there is no test for it because it doesn't do anything.
No, that's right. Set player health.
And so, if you're forgetting why this happened 30 episodes ago, it's because the events, so the model is that you have a command, results in a bunch of events, and the events are there to support the development of the game. But not all of the events are useful for the backend, and not all of them are useful to the client.
That's true.
And this one has not been useful to the backend until now.
I'm just going to do it. You're not allowed to type this out. It's too boring.
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. So now
you should get a better error.
Yeah.
Basically.
Now we get punched player, damage 2, and the current health on max.
Yeah.
That's great.
So then we need to go to the actionizer and implement.
Yeah. Is that the one that's failing right now? It's actually update game that's failing right now.
It's update game. Do the update game first then.
Yeah. So we have punched a zombie. And there's a killed zombie. And there's the planning meeting. I love that name.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have punched player.
Yeah.
And we will do the health. No, it's actually the player health.
Mm-hmm.
It's max 8, current 7. Punched player, damage 1. And it doesn't actually use this, I think. It doesn't actually use that one. On the back end, on the server. On the server. And now I will have current 6.
Yeah.
After that's done. There we go.
There we go. So this is the punched player, which goes right here.
Mm-hmm.
Like so. Oops. And then, oops. Punch player.
Mm.
Now we can actually also lose the game pretty soon. Game ops, and then okay, we want to update in game player health current, and then we just want to do minus
the
damage ops.
Yeah,
like that.
That's a bit. Now we get a new error when we refresh the browser, I think.
Yeah, but should we just flash this out while we're at it, or?
Yeah, okay.
Because punch player way too much.
Oh no. Mm-hmm.
So now what happens is,
I think maybe the game is just over.
Yeah,
but we do want to animate it somehow. But that's not part of this at all. So we can just do game over question mark.
Yeah, right. I don't think should this happen here, or should killed player should be an event.
Killed player should be an event. Yeah, that's right. So it doesn't even matter. It shouldn't be here at all.
So
yeah, it's done. Punch player.
Yeah.
The thing that is not done is making sure that zombies actually kill the player.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something else. So I can actionize this first.
Yeah, right. So I just wanted to show you the error. Click him, and then no matching clause punch player.
Yeah.
In
the actionizer. So you can write a test for this.
It's this event. And then we go to the actionizer test. Def test actionize punched player. Almost. So close.
It was very close. It was also close to a platypus.
That was what I was going for. Okay. So you have this stuff results in.
Yeah, what does it result in?
So there needs to be a bunch of things because there's some animation going on here, right?
Yeah.
So in the cheats. So
it's basically the same thing as the zombie health.
Player health, player punches. No.
Yeah, all of those things are the same for the player as the zombies.
Okay, so you can just look at the punch zombie then.
Yeah.
Okay, punched. Here we go. Ooh, a whole bunch of things.
Yes. So that's also 2 damage. So that's good.
Yeah. Okay, so we're not gonna be using dice.
Nope.
But a search in. So
instead of zombie 1, it should be just player, I guess.
Yeah, but is there no example over here? No.
It's already lost and healed and punched and so on. So it's the same thing.
Okay.
Just replace zombie 1 with player.
Ah, all right.
Yep.
Player class punched, and then hearts. All right.
Yeah, too many hearts in the test.
Too many.
4 hearts.
4 hearts. Current
4. Yeah.
3? No, 4. And then it loses.
No, it's actually, current 3, according to the tester. And then it's heart lost.
Yeah, I see.
Yes, that's right.
Aha, okay, I get it now. So why is it, what does it say 3 here?
It starts by punching from below.
Oh, right.
And then punches from left.
Yeah. And then it goes here, and then...
Yep.
So that's like that?
I think that's it.
Yeah. We'll see.
We will, indeed. We will indeed see. So we have punch zombie, and then we'll do player like this. And we will do player like this. And then there's the zombie ID. Do not care about that. We have damage and health. So no die IDs, no concat. And then this. Oh, look what I found!
That's terrible.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
I'll just fix it.
Okay.
We could write a test and so on and so on. Yeah, no. So we have a player class, player hearts, prepare hearts, but that's balancing heart. We don't do that. We just render hearts.
Only render hearts. Yeah. So that means that the nesting is wrong in the test.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
And the render hearts for the player. Take damage, punch classes, and so on. Yeah. So this is green.
Perfect.
We're running greenly. And
greenly.
we will take a look at the components because we have a player here.
Yeah, as I was going to suggest, let's test it, but I forgot that we also have to render it. Yeah. So
here's the player health, and it's going to be much like the zombies up here. So here's the zombie health. So there's a line, of course, and okay. So here's the punches, and then there's the class. So that's pretty much it, but maybe it's time to do like player. What do you think?
Yeah, nice.
We'll pass in the player. So we can do like this, and maybe. Oh yeah, and it's class. It's just player health. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Is there really a player? There's player shields and player health. Yeah. Okay. So we will do this and hope it works.
Yeah.
Because there's going to be player shields as well, but there's really no player in the CSS.
No, it's just like the rest of the Yeah.
But the player health is a player. It has hearts and has the punches inside there, and the punched is the class. So it just needs the player punches. Let's see. So these are here, and we will have hearts and player punches. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, and I will do a real refresh. And it's going to punch me twice.
You can punch him.
We lost the hearts, but it was not what I was hoping for. There's no animation, and the hearts are plainly not here.
No, because they need to be lost.
Yeah, but they're supposed to be lost at this point.
Oh.
So let's take a look at the CSS. What's being generated? There's lost. Just lost.
Oh, add heart. See if they need to be heart and lost.
I'm just going to take a look at this. Is this heart and lost? Yes, it is. So it's wrong for them to be. What did we do for the zombies? Oh, it's heart and class heart. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, it just immediately
popped up.
It even like replayed the animation for you.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
But the punches, they didn't show up as well. So we have player punches here, and there are punches. Of course, the animation is done running, so there's no longer the. Yeah, but it didn't add the. So where's the class? It doesn't tell me that this isn't in use because it uses a keyword there.
Punched. You forgot the punched.
Yeah, it's this one. It's supposed to go here. Thank you. Okay, we will reload and try again.
We'll just replay anything that I forgot to do.
Yeah, that works excellently.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's what I call an episode.
That's what I call an episode as well.
Very nice.
That wasn't disappointing at all.
I know. What's going on?
It's very cool.
Okay.
So, well, we promise to disappoint you in the very next episode.
Yes. Take care now.
Take care.